up with stories about the ghost of Boot Hill, Teddy Blue Abbott, and Scandalous Bill. Them boys are all gone now, them holes have been filled by the bodies of cowboys who left no wills, and some are sadder than hell. You only hear them stories when you're out on the range with the real old boys on the real old plains. Not rodeo riders or farmers of land, not a singer in a bar room or an ag businessman, just that old campfire tales. And I heard the story back when I was a kid about a crafty wild stallion and he stole mares and hid. They couldn't kill him 'cause he stayed out of range. He was a saber-toothed rocket with a human brain, the king of the plains. Old Tex watched him for many a year, and he followed his hoofsteps and learned what he feared. He staked out 4 Geldings the fastest he had, in 20-mile stretches across 100 miles of land, gumbo and hard pan. And early next morning he spotted his prey, and he built to the stallion on his horse named Bay. They jumped 2 fences as they tore across the plains, hazing that stallion towards the next horse exchange. And he gave Bay the reins. And he got off Bay all lathered and sore, and he saddled up Red and went a-running some more, hazing the stallion across badlands and sage, with the stallion and Tex caught in a rage of this horse that won't cage. Next horse was Buck when it came down the swap. The hot afternoon sun had old Red about to drop. Buck was sure-footed and quick on his feet, and they went chasing the stallion in a Montana heat. The stud ain't missing a beat. And the last horse was Blackie with the sun getting low, and that old western horizon beginning to glow. The stallion he stumbled and fell with his pride, but got up a-running. Damn how he tried, and then he fell and died. I've talked about horses, but I ain't mentioned Tex, with the blood on his shafts from them